Yo, what's up guys, it's Anthony again, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be lighting off Jaw Dropper 16 shot by Nunya. So yeah, this is how it looks. No demo or no performance on it. However, I do know this is an all-color cake until the end, which is sound for finale. Excuse me. So yeah guys, 16 shots, Jaw Dropper by Nunya brand. We'll be demoing it off. I'll be right back with the demo. Alright guys, we're back. It's time to finally light Jaw Dropper 16 shots. Light it. Here we go. Oh. Oh, Jaw Dropper, 16 shots by Nunya. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.